Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at WordPress video tutorial. Just before we get started, a reminder that all of my videos, unless specifically otherwise stated, are honest reviews. I do stand to make money if you decide to purchase this product through the link in the description. However, my goal is always to help you find good products and avoid bad products. I've been around the affiliate marketing world for a while now, and we've all been burned at least a few times, and sometimes it's a useful learning experience, and I like to share what I have learned through some of those experiences. And at the same time, I want to encourage those of you who are trying to do something different, whether you're trying to start a side hustle or you're trying to just establish a full-time online income path. Whatever your goal is, I want to help you in that. Unless you're trying to snooker people out of their honestly hard-earned money and you're doing it through dishonest means, in which case you're probably not going to like what I have to say about some of your products. That all said, there will be a link to the sales page we're looking at here in the description. Feel free to check that out. And again, if you do purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. But if you're not entirely certain about the product, don't buy it through my link. I'm only interested in you buying products through me that you are confident in. So again, this is WordPress video tutorial. Now there's a few things I like about this and a few things I feel like could be improved about this. First of all, I'm going to say I think I like this product. I like the idea of this product. Why do I like it? We're going to do things a little bit differently. First of all, this seems like something that's been put out by somebody honestly who's trying to make a few dollars by sharing what they have learned. So we're going to go over, this is the page on Warrior Plus. This is from Callie Mobe. There is one product with this. There's no massive chain of products you're going to get offered. There isn't 15 upsells. There's not even one. It's simply a series of video tutorials on running a WordPress website. Okay, now, and in that, obviously, that's going to be useful to a lot of people. WordPress, hands down, right now is, I believe, still the most popular web designing, web building, online tool. WordPress is great for people who don't know much about websites. So if you're starting a business, if you're trying to get an online presence, WordPress most of the time is probably the best place for you to go. It's not always the cheapest. Yes, you can go to Wix and you can throw something together for really, really cheap, if not free. But WordPress has earned the reputation I think it has. I'm not saying it's the best place to build a website, but it's probably the best place to go if you're new. Okay, now come over here. This is, actually, let's jump to this one first. This is Callie's profile on Warrior Plus. Not a lot of sales, but there's no reviews either, so we're going to go over here. And again, the sales have been small. She's been doing this at least through Warrior Plus. She's been doing this for just a few months. Not huge sales, but we've had one refund on instant YouTube traffic. And now that's one refund out of 10 plus 5%. So, it gives us a pretty good idea of how many she sold. But she doesn't seem like she's trying to bilk anybody out of their money. Okay, and we unfortunately see a lot of products where everything is professionally done. Everything looks shiny and flashy. There's great flash-based sales videos and all kinds of testimonials. And those of us who've been around can tell pretty quickly that this isn't a new product and it's junk and you should just avoid it because it's a scam. That's not, I think, what we're getting here. And I think on one of her pages here, Callie specifically says she's been involved in online marketing since about 2015, and she's trying to share the things that she's learned. Okay, so I have no reason at this point to doubt that. There's a lot of room for improvement on the sales page. It's not professional looking. It's I think fairly to the point. It's not flashy. We don't even have, I actually looked for this before I started this video. I looked even just on the sales page for a place where we've got like a good title for the product, and we really don't. So that's why we're mostly looking at this. So let's take a quick look at the sales page. It's not big. This won't take long. Are you having trouble finding the best WordPress video tutorial for beginners on your own? Obviously, this is relevant to a lot of people. If you're established, you're probably going to have a webmaster or a company that you're dealing with, and you just look at them and say, hey, I've got a new venture, I need a new web page, or hey, I want to try a new little side hustle over here, I need a web page for it, here's what I want, and they'll go and they'll put it together for you. But if you're new and starting out, if you're working a full-time job, if you're just trying to break in with a little side hustle, or you're trying to get something off the ground for the first time, you're maybe looking to imitate something else that you've seen, this could be a good product for you in that case. And now, admittedly, we're going to skip over some of this stuff. She does mention in here someplace that these videos are designed for the beginner. So if you are somebody who's experienced in web design, this isn't going to be a product for you. This is specifically for the newbie. This is for the person who, if you're playing around with HTML and CSS code in your spare time, probably this is not going to be for you. But if you are the average Joe or Jane or whoever you may be, and you don't have a lot of experience or background or training in website development, then this could be very good for you. So she does mention, she gives a few examples in here: branding, bonus videos, security measures, walkthrough for page and post editor, preventing break-ins. So I think stuff like this is absolutely vital in the 21st century, when people just randomly decide to, hijack your website. Faster method to manually install WordPress. I have not looked at these videos. Callie, if you should see this at some point, I think it could be helpful to put some video clips in the sales page. Although I do like that we've got a list of the titles and video links here. So you're not getting super long videos for the most part. We've got a 8.5 minute here. We've got a 10 minute here. So this isn't, in total you're looking at what, probably an hour, maybe a little over an hour in this, which isn't too bad for this kind of thing. You're getting 16 videos, a bit more sales copy here, and $8.20. Now, again, I never want to say buy it because it's only $8.20. Don't buy it because it's cheap. Buy it because it's worth whatever the price is. If it's $150 and you feel it's worth $150, buy it. Okay, value is subjective. If you don't think this is worth $8.20, don't buy it. However, if you are looking at paying somebody substantial amounts of money, or you're looking at paying hundreds of dollars for some kind of training course, then $8.20 is probably a worthwhile investment for you. Again, I wish I could say more about the product. Callie is obviously just starting out. I like seeing new people entering the field. I love to see people who are entering the field who seem to be trying to be honestly putting out good and useful products. This is a training product, and what that means is that virtually it doesn't matter what aspect of the online income market you're in. Doesn't matter if you're looking to eventually start a subscription service, if you're looking to maybe you're doing affiliate marketing. What would help you tremendously is having a web page with a landing page and a place where you can pick up people's emails that kind of acts as a hub for various other sales pages or promotional pages that you might want to set up. If you are a musician, or you're an actor, or you're an artist, or you do any kind of craft, maybe you build furniture, or you make swords, or you weld up metal, or you do things with beads, whatever you do, right? Online store, whatever, there's no one who can't benefit from a website. So it is, I think, worthwhile to look at. I would love, if somebody actually goes and buys this, I would love to see your feedback in the comments section. Unfortunately, I do not have time to, even if I did purchase it, I simply don't have the time to sit down and review all of the videos on my own right now. That's why we're looking at the sales page. But I'm going to encourage you, if you're looking at designing a website, to give this a try. It's $8.20. If it's absolute junk, as with all Warrior Plus products, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. We've actually got a great little a disclaimer down here. So this is not a Warrior Plus product, but it is available through Warrior Plus. They hold the money for 30 days. So when you see the satisfaction guaranteed sticker, that's not, that doesn't even reflect on the vendor so much. It looks good for the vendor, but it absolutely will be held up by Warrior Plus. So you will get your money back if you don't like the product. But I'm going to encourage you guys, check this one out. I can't give it a strong endorsement because it's a thin sales page, but I think it'd be great to try to encourage Callie a little bit, and if there's good feedback, let's give her good feedback, and if not, you know, I like to encourage and help out the people who at least appear to be trying to be honest. So that's basically what I've got to say about this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys back here again soon.